Hi everyone, today I've got a fun video for you all. I'll be unboxing new pieces of jewelry that I received from Gingerberry. Now, if you don't already know, Gingerberry is a British brand that is widely known for their pearls. They make some exquisite pearl jewelry, and I was able to level up my own personal jewelry collection over the last few years with Gingerberry pearls. I learned so much about pearls through this brand and doing my own independent research. And I will tell you from my own personal experience that every single piece of jewelry that I received from Gingerberry has lasted so beautifully. I've done updates on wear and tear, and every single piece looks brand new even to today. And I've gifted some of the items to family members. I also did a giveaway. Rebecca, if you're watching this video, I hope you're still enjoying your earrings. And I'm excited that finally Gingerberry has decided to expand their collection beyond pearls and into diamonds. So they are making some beautiful lab-grown diamond jewelry, and this is the first piece I wanted to share with you. So I'm going to take off this ring. I've been wearing it now for a few days. So this right here is set in 14K solid gold, and then it's got these small dainty little diamonds all curved up like this. It's very interesting. The ring looks like it has movement, as you can see. I'm going to give you a close-up. It's not like a straight band. It has this wave to it, so the curvature makes it really feminine and delicate, as I said, and the little diamonds all the way across gives it sparkle. So I'm going to show you up close, and it's really comfortable. I got the size 6, and it fits on my index finger just like so. I can also put it on my middle finger, and I feel like that looks really pretty as well. So my index finger and my middle finger are pretty much the same size, so I'm able to interchange. I also wanted to see what it would look like on my thumb because I think that would look kind of cute too, but it doesn't fit on my thumb. So anyway, this ring is super sweet, and it's called the SYLIN ring. Everything is so beautifully packaged. Always, every time I get anything from Gingerberry, it is so well presented in these little pouches with little pillows, and of course the slide out boxes. I'm going to share with you another ring that I got, and this one here, you see how cute it is? This is called the Kaelis ring, and I got this really to test out truly the quality of the lab-grown diamonds, and my goodness, the sparkle on this diamond is so pretty. And again, it's set in all 14 karat solid gold all the way around, set 4-prong, diamond shaped. Again, the sparkle. The lab diamonds that Gingerberry uses are all high quality. The colors are always going to be between D and F. So I also feel like it looks really pretty on the middle finger, very dainty. I can definitely understand why scientists were motivated to try to replicate diamonds in terms of like structure, sparkle, all within a controlled lab environment. These environments mimic the high temperatures and pressures that natural diamonds are made in under the layers of the earth, but it's so much more eco-friendly. They don't exploit labor, doesn't destroy land. And of course, because they're not controlled for artificial scarcity like natural diamonds, they don't come with the inflated costs, right? So I do understand why especially younger consumers are now gravitating more towards lab-grown, like they're opting for lab-grown diamond jewelry intentionally versus going the natural route. I mean, it's a matter of personal preference, but I'm here to just share with you the different options that you have as a customer who might be looking at new jewelry. So here again, really pretty packaging. This one is a necklace. Once again, you can see the sparkle. You can also see the sparkle on the chain. I've always mentioned that with Gingerberry jewelry, when it comes to their 14K solid gold, all their chains are super sparkly. I think it's the way they are cut. So I'm going to take this off and you'll see how it catches the light. But this one here is called the Lumen CREST necklace. First, I'm going to show you how the chain catches the light as I move it gently. You can see here. And then the actual pendant that's on the necklace is so adorable. It's like a little button. So if you look at it carefully, the gold part is brushed and there's texture to it. It's really interesting. Do you see that? And there's like little feathered lines going through it. To me, it looks totally like a little button. And then you flip it over on the front and it's got this diamond outline, right? Diamond shaped outline with little diamonds. And then in the middle here, there's a larger diamond in the center. So it's pretty intricate. I'm just going to use the back of this pouch here so you can see it against a slightly darker background and get a better look here. It is really pretty. It's unique. I've grown a bit tired of the same old type of jewelry that you see from some of the mainstream brands. So I really like seeing these different creative designs, and I just think this is super adorable. All right, as I unbox this next piece here, I do want to share that I always have a 15% off promo code for Gingerberry. It's site-wide, and the code is Hannah15. Also, you can use that code anytime with other promotions. So yes, it can be combined with other sales and promotions. And right now, I believe Gingerberry is having a Valentine's Day promotion through the end of February. So if you do hop onto the website and look around, decide to make an order, then you can use the code even with other promotions that are going on. So this right here, super cute here, is a bracelet. I'm just gonna take it off. Look at the presentation. It's like a little dessert. I don't know, it just is an extra special treat to open each one of these. So this bracelet here is called the LUSTRE knot bracelet. It's got 0.75 carats of lab-grown diamonds, and it's again set in 14K gold. Oh, and then I have to show you, with their bracelets, oftentimes you will have an adjustable little mechanism here. So depending on your wrist size, you don't have to worry. It can be made larger or smaller. And I don't know why other brands don't do that more often. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total diamonds set. I think this is bezel set, right? You can see better with the lighting hitting this way, right? This is all in natural light, by the way. And here, just in time for Valentine's Day, I have something a little extra special. I chose these specifically because I thought they were adorable. So again, the little pillow. You see them? They're red hearts, and I'm wearing red today. Okay, these are little hoop earrings with red hearts dangling from them. So cute and playful. These are called the CORINE earrings, and they're red agate within gold vermeil. So this is not solid gold. This is not 14K gold like the other pieces. So just know that this is vermeil, but it has the red agate stone. And there's also an option for mother of pearl instead of the red. So the mother of pearl is also really pretty, but I wanted to go with a pop of red. So here's what it looks like on the back of the earring. But here's the cool part. You open the hoop and the heart pops off. So it's like a 2-in-1. You can just wear this little dainty hoop. It's like a huggy earring, and it's got these little beads, right? Look at the detail on that. The bead design on one side, and then it's plain on the other side, so it's like half and half. So you can wear just the hoop earrings when you're in the mood for something simple. And then when you want to do something a little bit more playful, you just pop this back on. So easy peasy. I have other Gingerberry earrings that are like this, that are 2-in-1, and they're so fun. I also wanted to show you this here. This is the authenticity certificate that comes with any of the fine jewelry pieces from Gingerberry. So this is the Kaelis ring, the one I've been wearing throughout the video, and it'll tell you all the specs. And if you decide to do more research like I did, you'll learn that Gingerberry is certified by the most trusted associations in the gemology and jewelry industry. So you have peace of mind. Plus, if anything goes wrong, or if you're not happy with the piece, there's 30-day free returns and exchanges. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing jewelry reviews, but I'm very, very picky about who I will feature and which brands I will work with. With Gingerberry, I know that some of you have made purchases for yourself or as gifts, and so far it's 100% positive feedback. So I'm really happy to hear that, and I am happy to continue to support this beautiful brand. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Once again, there's a 15% off promo code. That's Hannah15. It is site-wide. You can again also combine it with any other promotions that might be happening. For example, the Valentine's Day promotion that's happening right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.